Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let me show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 3 minutes. By the way, you can also download it for free from a link in the description below and it's completely free to use and edit. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and then insert a background image and increase its size and then put it into the middle of your slide and crop it that it only covers the entire slide. Next, what we're going to do is just duplicate the slide and increase the image that one of the person is clearly visible. Right now, I'm going to use this Albert Einstein and crop the image that it comes only into the slide. So Albert Einstein is the main character. Now duplicate the slide and you have to reposition it to make the other person be seen and duplicate it again and repeat the process. So in the second we have Marie Curie. Let's just duplicate and insert a new slide. You have to put two rectangles right like this, change their fill to black, group them, and the next thing we're gonna do is just decrease their size and then rotate them like this. Put them right here on top, group both of these and duplicate them and rotate them, flip them vertically. Group them all and then cut them and paste them onto your second slide that the main focus of them is Albert Einstein. Next, we're gonna insert this rectangle right here like this, and we're gonna change this full to white, give it transparency. We're gonna insert our text, which is the name of the scientist, which is Albert Einstein, as you all know. Next, what we're gonna do is just insert some content text. So I'll just clipboard it, change this full to white as well. So here you go, this template is all complete. Let's just copy this and then paste it onto the previous slides because we're gonna just increase its size that it just goes out of your slide and then move this text box right here. Next, we're gonna just put these same things in the other slides. In the second slide, in the third slide, we're gonna target Marie Curie. And then we're gonna write details about her and next to this text box. Let's just insert the name of this scientist, which is Jules Emile. So here you go. Duplicate the first slide and send it to the back into the last slide. Select all of your templates, go to transitions tab and give them more transitions. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing free templates and free tutorials like these. See you in another video soon.